What is up, guys? Here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And today I'm going to be revealing more into depth on exactly how I find products for my store. This is probably the hardest part of starting a successful dropshipping store, finding the products to sell, because that is something that is very important and critical when it comes to actually making sales, is getting something in front of people's faces that they actually want to buy. So marketing is probably the first most important thing. The second will probably have to be the products that you're actually choosing for your store. So before we get into this video, I'm back to my book giveaways. So today I'm giving away the book right here. It's called The 10X Rule by Grant Cardone. So I will be announcing the winner of that book next video. So if you want to be entered to win it, all you have to do is drop a like on this video and drop a comment on why you want to win this book. So whoever I think has the best comment is the one I will choose to win the book, and whoever wins it, I will have it shipped directly to your house. So make sure you drop a comment below, leave a like if you want to be entered to win this book. So now let's get back to this video and show you guys exactly how I find the products for my stores and, you know, the ads and everything like that. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so I know I've made a video before, or I've told a few people on how I find products, because people ask me this a lot, and most of the time I'll answer them by this certain method. So I've been using this certain method for a while now, and now I've actually came into something that is way easier. I found this system, this program that contacted me and they asked me to check it out. And so usually with these Dropship Spy tools, you know, to find products and stuff, I usually don't like them and looking at them, and I feel like they're just, you know, finding products that are just completely random and putting them on there off of AliExpress and then charging people a lot of money every month or whatever the pricing plan is to see those products. And I feel like it's not fair to those people because they're ripping people off. But this one I took a look at, and I actually liked it a lot more because it made what I was doing, my own methods, a lot easier. So the way that I actually have been finding products is by looking at Facebook ads. So I contact friends all around the world, you know, different people that look at different things, and Facebook knows what these people like. So I pay these different people to send me screenshots of ads that they find on Facebook, whether they're scrolling through their Facebook feed or they're on Messenger or whatever, and an ad pops up. I pay them $1 per screenshot that they send me, because each ad I can tell whether this is a dropshipping store, an in-house store where they make their own products or whatever, and I'm able to tell if this product is getting a lot of sales, if the ad has a lot of engagement and stuff like that. So I'm using these different people that have different interests on Facebook, and Facebook knows the targeting for these people, so they're putting these certain ads in front of their faces. Because if I was just using my own Facebook account, scrolling through Instagram or Facebook, waiting for these ads to pop up, it's only going to come up with stuff that Facebook knows that I'm interested in. So that's what I've been doing recently to find products, is by seeing what Facebook is showing these people, these different ads, and which ads are getting engagement and which ones seem to be selling the most products of that certain thing. So I'm super excited now that I have the ability to use this tool instead of, you know, spending time and paying people a lot of money and all that stuff. So now it's going to be completely easier for me as well as you guys if you decide to join the actual program online. So I'm actually going to hop in here. I'm a member of the program, and I'll show you guys exactly what it is and what it has to offer. So let's go ahead and get here on my computer and start this video off. So before I go into depth of showing you guys exactly everything, what this is, how it works, there is a link at the top of my description if you want to join. And yes, it's an affiliate link, just to let you guys know. If you're going to be signing up, I may as well get a commission off of it instead of not. So, you know, it's good for both of us. And I'm letting you guys know about this program. I know that I would only share things with you guys that are actually good and, you know, make money both for me and that I think can help you guys too. So I'm not being paid by Dropship Spy or anything. I decided to make this just because it's very helpful, very useful for what I do, and it made my entire product finding process way easier than before. Okay guys, so now we are on my computer here. Yes, it is Dropship Spy. I don't know if you guys have seen this before. I don't think that many people are actually in here and they're taking advantage of it. So this company, actually Dropship Spy, is a UK based company. It's newly started. It hasn't been around too long that I know of, and a lot of people are using some other ones. Seem like they're better, but honestly, they're not doing as much as this company is. And for the price that this company is charging, it's definitely a great deal. I'm gonna just go ahead directly down to the pricing just to let you guys know before we get started. So $10 a week if you want to pay per week, $20 a month, or $200 a year. So I'm in the monthly plan just because, you know, 20 bucks a month is not bad at all. That's cheaper than a Shopify plan, and this gives you access to a lot of things. So I'll go into that now and show you guys exactly what it has to offer, but depending on whatever you want to get in, you choose it. I recommend the monthly plan just because it's easier. But yeah, so let's go into the dashboard. Okay, so when you first log in and you're a member, you will see these different tabs: winning products, promising products, Facebook audience builder, Instagram influencer research, Amazon reviews downloader, and then your account stuff. So all of these different tabs are very useful. You know, not the account one, that's just your settings and your profile. But the Amazon reviews downloader I'm not going to go into within this video just because this is solely based off of UK reviews. So I guess you can if you're in the UK, but the company, since it's in the UK, they're only allowing the Amazon UK links. I guess if you find some Amazon UK links, it'll do that for you. But if we go here into the Instagram influencer research tab, this is basically just gonna be like flanks.com, where you type in a username and it gives you the engagement rate. So let's just put my name in there real quick to show you guys. Search, and let's see. Okay, so it shows the profile, the followers, and the engagement score. So my engagement, 14.53%. That's very high, I guess just because I've been running Facebook ads to promote my personal account. So I've been getting a lot more likes and comments on my posts. So it basically just shows you the engagement. So within this, you can actually just look that up instead of having to go to flanks. So now let's go back to the members area. That's what the Instagram influencer research is. So now let's actually just go ahead here to winning products. This is the most important tab, the most important section that actually shows you the products and does everything for you. So before I actually go into products and show you everything, let me let you guys know what this is. What this program does, it actually finds products off of Facebook, these different ads that are products off of AliExpress, and they can tell which ads are products from AliExpress, which ones aren't, and it shows you guys exactly, you know, the engagement on the post, if people are buying, the sales of the AliExpress stuff, all the stats. So it's doing all the hard work for you instead of me paying people to send me screenshots of their actual ads and then I have to go and review all these ads and everything. This program does it for you. So it goes in here and it shows you guys everything, and you can press this right here to decide, you know, if you want ones that are old or new, which one has the most likes. So let's go here to the ones that has the most likes. So this is a hair engraving pin. So this is from December 27th, just because this one I picked the highest amount of likes. But if you go to the normal page or you sort by a different thing, it'll show you the newest added products. So hair engraving pin, and as you can see here, I chose the one that has the most likes. So 708,000 likes on this ad, 300,000 comments. Or 30,000 comments, excuse me. But it has so much to show you. So many statistics. So it shows here, right here, the US dollars shows how much it costs on AliExpress, how much they were selling for, and the profit. And you know, it tells what it is, the product description, and it shows right here, AliExpress suppliers, of what it is, the feedback score, the store, every single thing, how many have sold, all that kind of stuff. So it says right here 110 sold, but I guarantee you that's a lot more now that this product has actually gotten a very high amount of engagement. Facebook post. So let's actually go to the Facebook ad. You can click on that. It'll take you to the Facebook ad and show you everything about it. So here it is. It is a video and it shows you guys everything. So this is the Facebook ad that was posted in December promoting this product. So it shows the description, everything like that, and 7.3 million views off of this product. And let's go to the website here, hair engraving pins. So I wanted, you can definitely tell this is a drop shipping store, you know, because it just seems very much like that with the secure checkout. They have the Facebook Messenger marketing here with this, the timer countdown. It seems very much like it's drop shipping. And you can see here at the bottom, these reviews could be off of AliExpress. You know, that is actual Shopify app that integrates the reviews off of AliExpress onto your own store to show reviews. Let's see if there's anything about shipping right here. Yep, so shipping will take an extra week or two for arrival. So yes, this is definitely a drop shipping store, and they were able to market that on Facebook and get this ad viral. So let's go back here to this hair engraving pin. It shows everything like that. The Facebook page, the product website, everything like that. The Amazon, eBay, top sellers. So this is giving you all the information that you need instead of having to do all this data research by yourself. So just go down here. This actually shows you the descriptions you can use. So now I want to actually create an ad for this video, show you guys what these other things do. So I'm going to go into a new tab with the Dropship Spy. Alright, so now we're here, and promising products is also a new tab they just added. And actually, if you guys watched my last video, I actually made a video on this glove showing how to make a description for it. So that's sort of funny. But anyways, Facebook Audience Builder, this is very important when it comes to your targeting for your Facebook ads. So I don't know how many of you use Facebook ads, but this helps a lot with targeting, because targeting is probably one of the most important things when it comes to creating a successful Facebook ad. So now we're here, and so we're gonna go, this is hair engraving pin. So I'm actually gonna go here to my Facebook Ads Manager. This is a one of my ad accounts that was actually disabled, so that sucks, but I'm going to be using this just to show you guys how I would create the ad if I was doing it and how easy it is with this actual Facebook Audience Builder. And we're going to do some beauty with it. We want to target people that are interested in beauty. So this will tell you exactly what you need to put in your targeting and your interest to get people that are most likely to buy this. So usually I would choose conversions for my Facebook ads because we want conversions. But let's just say this is a brand new store. You know, I don't have any data on my pixel. So we're going to aim for engagement because we're using a video thing from this website that has gotten a lot of engagement. We've seen the Facebook ad. It got a lot of engagement. So we want to get the more engagement, more shares, more likes, more comments, so it'll blow up, get viral, and get more traffic to our store so we can make more sales. So the hair engraving pin. So let's go back here to the ad manager. We're gonna go with engagement because we want engagement on our post. And let's see, no, we want post engagement. So we're just gonna name it engagement and continue. And this is where it comes into place with what you want to target and who you're targeting. So what we're gonna do here, this is the beauty targeting suggestions for your Facebook ads. So this is gonna actually go here and it's gonna put all of this stuff. This is what you put into your interest. So magazines, let me just show you guys real quick and then I'm gonna do them all and then I'll come back to the video. But for magazines, L is a beauty magazine, I guess. So what we're gonna do is detailed targeting. We're gonna put in L, the magazine, 43 million people. So what I'm gonna do here is go in and put these, the magazines, the stores, public figures. I mean, you can use a few depending on however many you want. It says right here 2 to 3 lists, but I'm gonna put a few. I'm gonna do the brands, magazines, and public figures. So that is gonna put in some people that have a lot of interest with those certain people, brands, and magazines, and that is gonna really help our targeting. And also up here with the location and stuff, usually I start with the United States. I don't do worldwide usually because you target people that sometimes can't afford it and then you're sort of wasting your money with your targeting. So let's do people that speak English and age. Let's do 15 to 45. No, let's do 35 actually. You know, that seems like a solid age. Still young enough to use this hair engraving pen. So there we go, people that speak English in the United States, and you know, it's only 6.7 million people right there. We still want to lower it, so we're going to add in all of our targeting down here, and I'll be back in 1 second. Okay, so I'm back now, and I just added all the targeting for the detailed targeting. You see the interest up here. I added all the magazines that it suggested up here. So after you add the first interest, what you're going to have to do is press narrow down the audience. So what it's going to do, if we go down here, it'll say narrow further. So it'll say that after the first one, and then you just continue to add. So the people that are interested in these magazines that are also interested in these. So I ended up with an audience of about 350,000 people. That's a solid start. The longer the ad stays up, the more engagement it gets. It's just gonna be like a snowball effect and continue to grow and grow and grow. So we went down here, I added the magazines, the makeup stuff, and all that stuff. I added a few extra ones down here. And you wanna leave this one unchecked where it says expand interest. You wanna leave that unchecked. And you can save the audience if you want, if you're gonna have different ads for this. But just to show you guys this, I'm gonna leave that, not gonna save the audience. And we'll go down here to edit placements. We don't wanna use all of this, so let's not do Instagram, not audience network, no marketing. So we're gonna do just the feed. All we want is Facebook feed. So that's gonna cut down our audience a little bit now to 120,000 people. You know, but it's still solid. You may want to expand it a little bit more. But I think that's solid for the start, 120,000 people for Facebook feeds, because if you do any of these other ones, it's a little bit less likely for people to see and actually watch the entire video. So we also want to do only when connected to Wi-Fi, since we're going to be using a video. So if we're using a video, you want to make sure that the people have Wi-Fi when they see it, so the video will load, they'll be able to see the whole thing, and also maybe so they don't waste their data, whatever you want to think about. We're going to leave, I don't know why the budget's at $11. Usually I'll just do like $20 a day to show you guys from the start. Let it run continuously. Continue. Now we have to create the actual ad. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we actually have to create the ad, show you guys everything that's going on. So we're gonna go here to the hair engraving pen, and you scroll down and it'll see download the free video ad. So you can do that, it'll show it right here. There we go. And we're gonna download that. Okay, so since my ad account is disabled, it's not allowing me to do some certain functions within the Facebook ad section. But basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna go here to the pin and it'll show you guys exactly, you know, the description you can use for your Facebook ad. So we go here, this is basically, you go to these 3 tabs over here and you go to page post. And what you'll do, you'll put the post text. And if you're doing a video, you upload the video there that you downloaded. And you have your link here. And I like to add this a few times under this, not just one time. So you add it there. You put your link in for the store. And then you're good to go. You add the video and then you create post, and there will be a post ID down here in the bottom left of where it is. You see ID right there. There will be a post ID, and you copy that, and then when you go to the ads manager, when you're going to post this ad, you put enter post ID and you paste the number in there, and then you'll be ready to go and you confirm and publish it and wait for it to be approved. So this system helps a ton when it comes to the targeting for your Facebook ads. You know, it gives you the ad, it gives you the video, everything that you need to get started, shows you the products, every single thing. You're able to figure out which product has the most shares, the most likes, the most comments. So it's a very solid program, especially for the price that it was. They didn't pay me or anything like this to say this. I actually enjoy this. It helps me a lot. So hopefully you guys check it out. There's a link in the top of the description, and also my course will be relaunching next Friday for those of you that are interested. I'll show you guys every single thing I know about drop shipping. So there you guys go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.